Hi, my name is Adriana, and these are my top three character strengths. They are appreciation of beauty and excellence, honesty, and kindness. Um, they tie into my career by I adore animals, I adore nature, I adore everything about it, and there's just so much out there that I want to be able to see and be a part of. Honesty, because if you're out in the field, for example, and you do something wrong or something happens that can, hurt the wildlife or hurt the environment, you need to be able to tell somebody because if not, it can have a dramatic impact on anything around it. Um, Kindness, because you also have to be able to be kind to animals. Um, like if they're hurt or if they're suffering, I need to be able to go out and I need to be able to help them. I use the kindness one a lot actually because there are actually cats, like stray cats that are around here, and I feel the need to help. I feel the need to feed them because they're so frail, they're so skinny. Especially whenever I see a mama with her babies, I can't just sit by and let them starve, even whenever people tell me I probably should. If I learned anything new, it would probably be that I've never really thought that appreciation of beauty and excellence would be a character strength. The other ones are fairly recognizable, but I never really thought that appreciation of beauty and excellence could be one of them. Especially being my top character strength. Um, I can use kindness in a new way because I would like to go out and volunteer for a wildlife rehabilitation center. I volunteered for a wildlife education center last year, but it wasn't as in depth as I wanted it to be. I couldn't learn all that I wanted to about them. So I would like to do the wildlife rehabilitation center so that I can learn how to help them better, learn how to treat their wounds maybe if they're hurt, or learn how to help them thrive in an environment that was not kind to them in the past, or help their numbers thrive again because of poachers or anything like that. But that is my top three character strengths, and I hope you liked it.